better hush.
It looks like the twins are back. They come out here and fed a little while ago. Decided to make a trip around the house, walked all the way around the house. I mean, all the way around the house, and then come back to the feed block. So there's one of them there, and the other one is back over here behind these trees, which is hard to see, but he's right back there. So they definitely spending some time out here since I put that block out, and I just put it out maybe a couple hours ago. I think this is the third time that the twins and the mama's been back. The feeder did go off just a little while ago, so there is some corn on the ground. If y'all liking this content, please like, subscribe, share the page, hit the notification bell, and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Y'all have a good one.
Is it?